Samples are taken at multiple locations throughout the melting process to ensure metallurgic parameters are maintained for an efficient casting process. The spectrometer will analyze a sample by separating light into different wavelengths and measuring the intensity of each color in the spectrum. This data is used when adjusting the chemistry of the iron. 27 individual elements are evaluated during each test. Molten iron samples are retrieved every 30 minutes at the exit of the cupola for a baseline reading. The iron then travels to the desulfurization ladle to remove nearly all the sulfur. Sulfur levels are monitored from the spout sample taken every 15 minutes. Magnesium ferrosilicon and silicon are added at the U-ladle, which transforms the graphite flakes in the base iron to graphite nodules for an as-cast ductile iron. A final sample is then extracted from each ladle at the casting floor. The tests conducted in the spectrometer lab ensure that the iron being used in McWane ductile pipe will be iron strong for generations.